Hi, it's Jewel, and I have a Florida water recipe great for healing and protecting your aura. For people with roots in the southern United States, the Caribbean, and Central America, Florida water is a staple for blessing themselves and their homes and objects. When you're making this recipe, remember to lift the positive vibes, put on your favorite music, maybe do a smoke clearing, but bless your ingredients and set your intention. I use the peel of one large orange, but use the citrus you have. I use the peel of 2 medium-sized lemons. The original recipe called for mandarin oranges, but I had satsumas, and I did the extra step of removing the excess pith, that white meaty part inside the peel. Rosemary is a known herb for protection and is used for spiritual connection and memory. The spirit of cinnamon is strong and hot. Its spiciness can burn away and remove blockages. Its sweetness can attract the things you want. The original formula called for 2 tablespoons of lavender flower tops and 5 branches of mint. Instead, I wanted to use what I already had, which was essential oils. So for my 5% dilution, I used 3% lavender essential oil and 2% spearmint. I can use essential oils because there's grain alcohol in my formula. So I use 151 proof, which means of that 75.5% is ethanol. The rest is just other fillers. Mix equal parts grain alcohol and distilled water. Mix in your essential oil blend if you're using essential oils. After 24 hours, if you're using essential oils, you'll need to check to see and shake the jar gently to see if the essential oil is dissolving. If not, you may have to add a little bit more grain alcohol. Like generations and ancestors past, you can take advantage of the moon cycles and use this opportunity of heightened energy to charge your mixture in the moonlight. After you charge that material in the moonlight, bring it in and set it up in its living space for the next 21 days. It should be uncluttered. It should be high energy. Even if you need to boost the energy by putting a crystal nearby, go ahead and do that, because over this period, the plant material is going to soften, and you want the liquid to extract all that spiritual, medicinal, and magical goodness. So go ahead and strain your liquid through a cheesecloth into another clean jar. You can use isopropyl alcohol to clean out the jar. And then you want to take the plant matter and give it an extra squeeze to get all the extra liquid out. Then put it into a spray bottle and you're done. Always label your ingredients and remember to write down your formula as you go. Keep it somewhere you can find it so that you can tweak it, you can make it again, you can gift it, and you can pass it down to the next generation. Because I use essential oils, my plant matter still smelled like a potpourri, so I kept it and used it in that way. But in general, you can dispose of the plant matter by placing it back in nature, like under a bush or a tree. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to like, share, and save this video. Check out the description for more notes and details. Have a great day.